fierce and tired. Forever in my palms, a gentle delight. Oh, little dove, oh, little dove, the pious will be blind to the spring of your design as you sing an ancient siren. Mountains will be leveled, gates of brass, bars of iron cut at last. Let the music near them. It is what it was.